So I finished this piece months ago and I had little interested buyers. So I decided to simplify the look to appeal to more people. I filled the holes so I can upgrade the hardware to something else kind of special. Then I decided I had to sand the drawers down, of course, to actually make the change on this piece. I mixed some chalk paint up to make it like a blue-gray effect because I was going for more of a farmhouse or a coastal kind of look. I had to change up the body of the dresser a little bit to match up everything, so I wanted to like deepen the color on there. So I had to just use a little bit of I think I had charcoal gray. It's a stain, and I kind of just wiped across a little bit. But I also had to use the actual color that I was using on the drawers. Also, I wanted both of them mixed in with the dresser. And I am showing the front, but I did all around the entire piece, of course. The top coat was 3 coats. I want to make sure I seal in everything perfectly. My honey bear installed the new hardware. And what do you think of the new look?